Should you buy the paid version of Grammarly? Is it worth your money? At the end of this video, you will have answers to these questions. The worth of anything can be gauged by the amount that you have to pay for it and the benefits that you would get from that. And the Grammarly, which is an AI powered grammar and writing assistant tool, has three different types. One is free for individuals, the other one is premium. Again, it is for individuals, and then it is for the teams, that is the business one. So I would assume that you are here only for this premium version. However, if you are looking for your team, you can also watch this video completely. First of all, we will see that how much this will cost you, and then we will see that what benefits that you can get from this premium version of the Grammarly. So as far as the price is concerned, these are the plans which you can buy. The business is shown on the bottom, that is the $15 per month. So in the premium version, you can either buy the monthly, quarterly or the annual package. Monthly, you'll have to pay $30. Quarterly, you will be saving 33% and you will be paying $20 per month. But if you buy their annual plan, you would be paying a total of $144 for the entire year, and you will be saving 60% as compared to the monthly package, meaning by that you will just be paying $12 a month. So as far as the price is concerned, now we are clear that you will be paying $144 for the annual version, which is the most popular, and it is also recommended because it is the cost effective out of these three. So $12 a month. So as far as the benefits are concerned, if you're already using the free version of the Grammarly, you would know that the basic writing suggestions in terms of spelling, grammar and punctuations are available in this free version. But should you choose to buy this premium version, it will offer you the style, tone and clarity improvements for working at work or a school. So what you will be getting, the additional features, one, that you will be getting everything which is there in the free version. Then you will have the clarity focused sentences. Like in this pop-up, you can see that the overall it is suggesting the few words to be deleted from the overall sentence in order to make the sentence concise or the focused. Then it will also suggest the tone adjustment. So instead of saying that I think we should be able to solve this issue for you, it is suggesting that we should amend the sentence to we can solve this issue for you. The distinctive advantage or the benefit that you would get from the premium version is that you will have this plagiarism detection option within the premium version. You will also get the word choices. I am very happy to be part of the team. I am thrilled to be part of the team. I am pleased to be part of the team, and I am delighted to be part of the team. So these are the word choices you would get. These kinds of options you would get in the premium version. So in terms of the formality level, nowadays, since we write on messages and the WhatsApp and social media accounts, and we write it in the shorter version or the internet language, so is there anything else I can do for you? So it has suggested to change the alphabet U with the word U. And then this is just an example. It would also definitely give you the advanced features also. So it will also suggest to make you the fluency of your text better. Like in this particular case, we have been able to do some progress here. It is suggesting that we have been able to make some progress here. So if we go to the complete list, we would see that in terms of correctness, in the free version, we were only getting the spelling, grammar, punctuation, whereas in the premium version, we will also get the consistency in spelling and punctuation and fluency. In terms of clarity, in addition to the conciseness, we would also get the clarity focused sentences and formatting also. Like in this case, you can see that it has suggested to make the bullets instead of the whole text that is written in one sentence separated by the commas. So the compelling vocabulary we have already talked about. So it will also suggest you to the lively sentence varieties, and then confident writing, the politeness, formality level, the inclusive language. As you can see that here, the venue is accessible for guests who are confined to wheelchairs or who are wheelchair users. right? So plagiarism detection, we have already talked about that. You will not get it in the free version. It is available in the premium version. This feature is the most important feature for the students, teachers, and even for anybody who writes for living. They can just cross check that whether there is any similarities between their text and the text that is already available on the internet. In terms of the users, you would only have one user in premium. In case of business, you can have for the team, and then rest of the features are for the business or the team members. So this is what you will get from the Grammarly premium. So last words, should you buy the premium version or should you stay on the free version of Grammarly? So my recommendation is that if you are just a casual user, then you should continue to use the free version of the Grammarly. But if you're a student, teacher, or a blogger, a freelance writer, or a business writer, or if you're anybody who writes for living, then this buying the premium version is worth your money. And if this $144 seems more to you, then there is an option of earning the money from the Grammarly and then paying them back. That although I have explained in detail in a video which I will give in the end screen card, but briefly I'll explain here. The Grammarly also has an affiliate program, which means that you can promote the Grammarly to your friends, families, and online if you have an audience. If you go on to the bottom of their page, you would see here under the company column affiliates. If I click here, you can see here that that you can earn big by promoting the Grammarly. If you ask anyone to sign through your affiliate link, just a free sign up, you would get 20 cents. But if they buy this premium plan purchase from your link, you would get $20. So in this case, you can just by asking 7 to 8 people in a complete year, you can earn around $144, which is the total cost of the Grammarly premium for the year. So by promoting the Grammarly through your affiliate link to your audience, you can earn this money of around $144 to $150 a month, and then you can pay them back for the premium version use, which you have to pay around $144. And for the proof that whether they pay to their affiliates or not, you can check out this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.